Hey Scab Beauties, it's AJ, and I just wanted to hop on here and say welcome to finals week. I hope you all had an amazing quarter, and I'm very excited to get started with this video. So today I'm going to tell you 3 events that are happening from SCAD AMP, and they're going to help you get through finals. So the first one is Focus Your Attention. Now this one is on the 1st, it's at 2 p.m. And it's all about learning to focus your attention and energy and staying present and engaged during peak performance moments. So explore mindfulness techniques and practices to calm your nerves, silence the mental chatter, and ease performance anxiety. So here's a QR code where you can go ahead and screenshot and sign up or attend this meeting. The next one is create a practice routine. This one is on the 2nd at 8 a.m. Presentation or speech in front of an audience, like any form of performance, requires participation. So it's going to help you develop a practice routine for delivering composed, purposeful, and engaging presentations. So here's that QR code again. You can go ahead and screenshot it and attend and sign up. All right, the next one is Embrace Improvisation. This is a fun one. So this one is also on the 2nd, but it is at 5 p.m. And it says, while planning and preparation are essential for success, skilled presenters also embrace spontaneity and leverage unexpected opportunities. So let's see how the art of improvisation can help you become more versatile and agile communicator. So here's a QR code for this one again. Go ahead and screenshot it and we'll see you guys there. So I hope these help. I'm very, very, very excited to see you guys all at these meetings, and I have a challenge for you. So whenever you attend, wear your favorite lip and then post it on Instagram, TikTok, wherever. Tag us at Scab Beauty, and hopefully we can feature you guys. All right, thanks for watching.